Grass update, kung makikita nyo po dito sa ating Epoch 2 earnings, meron na tayong 2.05 million and nahigitan niya yung ating Epoch 1 which is 1.29 million points lamang. What is up mga dong? So eto po yung update dito sa ating pagrarun ng Grass Lite node dito sa ating desktop. And again, nirarun natin siya simultaneously dito sa ating desktop and doon sa aking laptop na 24/7 pong nabukas. Now if you're wondering bakit po dalawa yung aking pinapaandar, yung computer ko and yung aking laptop, simply because dalawa po yung ating ISP or Internet Service Provider. As you can see dito under sa networks, no? Meron tayong Converge and meron tayong Globe. Now, bakit po tayo currently nag-grind dito sa Season 2? Well, konting story time lang, no? Way back nung Season 1, hindi natin masyado nag-grind itong grass and we were able to get 61.29 grass only. Pero more or less nasa $200 yung value niyan. Since ang current value ng grass is at $3.09. And if you're asking if okay bang i-grind itong grass compared dun sa mga ibang kaparehas niya, for me, this is still worth it. Tumataas yung price. Medyo naglalaro lang from $3 to $3.40. Sana ma-hit niya yung $4 very soon. Pero for now, okay lang tayo with the value. And ang habol naman natin dito is to grind every epoch na nire-release dito sa grass. No, para sa mga gustong humabol dito sa grass, I think it's early pa rin since epoch 2 pa lang. You can go to my TikTok. Makikita nyo po sa one of our pin post itong how to run Grass Lite node in your phone. Meron tayong tutorial po dyan. And I believe meron din tayong tutorial dito sa official Web3 TV kung paano naman natin nirarun etong Grass node using a closed laptop. For the meantime, that's all with Grass. Siyempre, update ko po kayo kung meron man tayong makukuhang bagong info about sa mga upcoming updates ni Grass. At yun lang muna. If meron kayong mga questions or requests, please feel free to leave it down there in the comments at mag-follow for more contents like this.